let's take the first thing. The first thing we have here is actually how to record a log while you are testing a website on Android. Okay, well, if you look here at the handbook, you will find several ways to capture a log. Well, but the last one right here is for Chrome console log, and this is the one that we are interested in right now because we are talking about the website, not the Android application. This is the next step. So this is the article from which you will learn how to collect an Android console log with Chrome. And of course you don't have to collect a log on maybe Firefox or something, because it's very rare that you find an error that happens on Firefox but doesn't happen on Chrome. This is very rare, so you will always take your log and find your errors on Chrome. Well, I could make it a separate explanation for this way of capturing the log, but I didn't find myself will add any more words from this one or from this article that Jeremiah Dargis have discussed. So here he is telling you everything you need to do, just making also screenshots to make the matter easier. And I don't think that there is anything complicated in following his instructions, and in following these instructions you'll find the matter very easy. And just pay attention that you have to enable USB debugging. This means that connect your USB port to your laptop. Connect the mobile with the laptop through your USB port, and then do the instructions as he told here, and you will find yourself capturing the log very easily. So this is the first one, and it's about capturing the log on Chrome. Well, now let's talk about how to capture a log from an application on Android. Well, I will not tell you that these articles are complicated or something. If you followed these articles and you found it, one of them worked for you, then that's fine. But what if you couldn't apply one of them, or you couldn't apply any of them? Well, I have a rule, or I have something from my experience that I can tell you, which is a very, very simple way that you can do after finding an error on your application. Now let's see what is this way. So this is the video. In this video I'm gonna show you how this tester, which is called Lubna, how she could capture a log for an application with these simple steps. Now she went to the setting, and now she will choose about device. Here you can find that she is going to press on the software information, and she did that to reach to the build number. Here she will press 7 times in order to see the developer options in the setting. If you didn't press on the build number for 7 times, you will not be able to use the developer options, which you need to progress on capturing your log. Well, now she will go back again to the setting, and she can see now the developer options. She chose them already, and now she will enable the USB debugging, this option. As you see, she allowed the USB debugging, and now she is going to adjust the logger buffer to 60 megabytes. Well, everything is set right now, and she is starting to take a bug report. Well, when does that happen? That happens after you reproduce the bug on the application. You open the application, you reach to the bug position, and you let the bug be reproduced on the application, and then you minimize the application and go to do all these stuff. Of course, if you did that once, then if you pressed 7 times, then you don't have to do that again and try to make the developer options appear. No, you will go directly to the developer options and you will start from there. So let's see how she took a bug report. After she pressed here, she said report. Now she will wait for some time, and finally she will find that the bug report has been captured and saved, and now it's ready to be shared. So she will press share and she will send it to her account on my drive in order to be able to send it to anyone else through the drive. The file is uploading, and then she will maybe send it to utest or something like this, or maybe to her computer, and from the computer she can upload it to the utest bug report. That's it.